Okay, I'm back. Are you all here yet? I'll wait a few minutes for people to join back in. I'm back. Okay. I'll wait till people join. Okay. My audience is back. I don't know what happened. Technical difficulty, but we're back. Nothing can stop us from learning Korean. Okay. Welcome back. 안녕하세요. Okay, so hopefully you didn't forget all the consonants yet. I wonder if you can remember the sounds without looking at the pictures. Okay. Yay! Hi, Ryan. Okay. So remember this? This. Do you remember what this sounds like? My 6-year-old knows. Okay. So 기억. What about this? What was the sound of this? My audience. What is the sound? Remember the picture? It was a napkin. So what does the sound? Nian. Thank you. What about this one? What was this picture? What is this? It was the drum. So, good. It's okay if you type. I'm sure other people got it first. Okay. What about this? This is deer. It was part of the robot. Okay. Then what about this? It was the monitor. So mium. This one. Beep. And come on. Okay. Okay. And then remember the ski. So shiot. Ice cream. Okay, so my 6-year-old knows this one because it's ice cream. So it looks like 0, so it sounds like nothing. But if it comes at the end, it sounds like Okay, this one, part of the juice, remember? Jiut. What about this one? It looks a little different than the picture, which I will explain later. But this is chiut. Okay. What about this one? Not feel. Okay. This was part of the cake, remember? So cute. And then this one. This was part of the truck, so cute. And then with the penguin, pew. And helicopter, so cute. Okay. So I'm going to teach you how to write these. Okay. So if you have something to write with, get ready, get ready. So by the way, what I showed this on my thumbnail. So I don't know if you can see the difference in the color. So here are the consonants I wrote in blue. So notice how there's one consonant, one vowel, another consonant. So some of these have 2 consonants, some of these have 1, right? But they have at least 1 consonant and 1 vowel. Okay, so that's how when I said when it ends with it, that's what I meant. It goes on the bottom like that. Where you place it depends on the vowel, and I will teach you more when we go through the vowels. Okay, so get ready to practice your writing. Okay, so very first one is 기억, right? So in Korean, everything goes from left to right and top to bottom. Okay, get ready. Get ready to write. Okay, 기억. 기억. It was a gorilla's butt, right? So it goes like this. Left to right and top to bottom. So sometimes, depending on the font, it looks like this, or it might look like this, or somewhere in between. Okay, so looks like a 7. So depending on the font or writing style, it could be any of these, but left to right, top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom. That's 기억. Okay. Now, what's the next one? 니은, right? So this one, you go from top to bottom and then left to right. One stroke. That's continue. Okay, it's not one and then two. Okay, again. Okay, so practice writing a few times. Basically, these will be your notes because, I mean, you can come back online and watch my video, but who wants to watch another hour, right? So what you have in front of you will be your notes, so you can keep practicing and studying after this is done. Okay, so 기억 was this, 니은 was this, right? Now, next one is 디귿, 디귿. So remember a picture of the drum. This one, you two strokes, so left to right first, okay? And then it's like you're adding a niun to it. So left to right, and then this. So one stroke, two stroke, 디귿. Okay? 나영, this way. 나영, this way first. Left, right, and then top, like this. Okay, I'll help you later. Okay, next one is a little more strokes, a little more tricky. 리을, remember the robot? So this one, you're writing the 기억 first, almost. Okay, and then left to right, and then 니은. So it's a hybrid of 기억, a line, and a niun, right? And that makes liur. So I don't want to see this. No. There's a right way to do it. Okay, so left to right, top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, left to right. So liur. Okay, liur. Okay, so 가나다라. And the next one is, okay, I'll give you 2 seconds to write more. Okay, so we did 기억, 니은, 디귿, liur. And now mium, mium. So this one, although it looks like a box, this is not one stroke. This is 3 strokes. So you go top to bottom first. Okay? And then you create a 기억, and then you close the box. So this is mium. Mium. Now, this line first. Okay? So down first, left to right, and then this. Okay? So I'm doing it a few times. So maybe the first time you could just watch me, and then second time right along. Okay, so 기억, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음. The next one is 비읍, like box. Okay, so this one, it looks almost like an H, right? But you're closing the bottom. 비읍. Like H, and then close H. Okay, so this is 비읍. Okay, 비읍. 비읍. Oh, good job, Ryan. You're typing in Korean. So make sure you know how to write it too, right? Okay. Next one is 기억, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷. Okay, so remember the ski? So it looks like this. If you know Chinese, it looks like the character for person. So if you didn't know Chinese, you actually know how to write one character in Chinese now. Person. Okay, so 시옷. So 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, 시옷. Okay, 시옷. Sometimes, depending on the font, you might see the top part connected like this. Okay, and that's still short. Okay. And okay. Okay, this one I don't really have to show you iung because everyone knows how to do a circle, right? Iung. All those circles and lines. Okay, so we'll do just like twice or something. Okay. Next is cute. Remember the jusu? Cute. So this one is one stroke, and then you support it like this. So it's like a 7, and then there's a leg. Okay. Sometimes, depending on the font, it might look like this too. Okay, and that's also cute. So whether it's this or this, they're both cute. Okay. Go to the next page. Cute should be very easy because you just did cute and you're adding a little hair on top. Okay. So cute with hair. Cute with hair. And remember the picture of the cherry I drew? It looked different, right? It looked like this. And I told you that cute can look like this. So cute can also look like that. So they're both cute. Okay. So this is cute, or you do the line first and that, or this is cute. They're both cute. But this is a standard way to write. But this can appear in certain fonts. Okay, like the cute that Kyla wrote, it looks like this version, right? Okay. It looks like it's running. Yes. Okay. Okay, next one is kyuk. Kyuk should be easy because it looks like kyok, but there's a line. So kyok and then line. Kyuk. Okay? Like F, but flipped. Okay? And then tiut should be easy because it looks like an E, right? So you do tigut and then line. Tigut and then line. Tiut. Okay? And then pup. Pup. It looks like the Roman numeral, Roman 2, right? Pup. Okay. And last but not least, hyut. So hyut is that circle with the hat on, right? So you want to create the hat. Hat. And then circle, right? Sometimes this hat can look like that. That's also hyut. Sometimes it can look like that. That's also hyut. So the hat can look different, but they're all hyut. So as long as this circle has something on top, it's always hyut. When I scribble, I even do that sometimes. That's hyut. Okay, so any circle with something on top, wearing a hat, that's hyut. Okay, so keep practicing. Anybody have any question for me at this time? So during the introductory video, I said if you want to see any specific content, you can leave it as comment and I will include that in the lesson. So please do that. And your homework is to keep practicing these writing and the sounds. I'll probably go live again in 2 days. So if you have any question, you can put them as comment, but keep practicing. Okay? Thank you. 안녕.